want to do a short review of my analysis on some of the pairs I've analyzed this morning. Today is Monday, December 1st. So, starting with dollar index, just a quick review from I think I started from monthly chart on most of the pairs. I did this analysis early this morning. So we are in a kind of a range, of course. This is my range high, range low, and coincidentally, if you go on the 3 months time frame, you see that this high here is the same high with this 3 months fair value gap. So I'm thinking, oh, is this a Q? Are we having something here? And of course, we have this long term, very long term what draw on liquidity here. So overall bias is normally bearish. So for the meantime, let's see what price is going to do on the day monthly time frame. This is what we have. We have the previous month low, which is also a fair value gap. If price was going to go higher, maybe we have something like this. Since the last month, November closed bearish, maybe we have price trades lower first, then go higher, or trades lower, closes below this becomes an inverse fair value gap, and we see what happens from there. On the weekly time frame, nothing much. Like I said, in the range high, range low. Last week was a bearish week. So these last four candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, make up what the last monthly candle, and you see how it prints. So in here now, this is a very huge indicator. We have the low of this candle is a solid draw on liquidity. The low of this particular candle. Let's even forget about previous month candle for a minute and observe this low. There's no way price is going to go higher and take, there's a way sharp probability, but logically from technical analysis knowledge, this low is very juicy to take. So I'm looking at this low, I'm looking at this one. Price is likely to draw here first before what's going higher, but let's just observe what price is going to do by itself. Moving forward to daily time frame. What do we have on daily time frame? The previous week's price action, we did this instead and close below this fair value gap. Very significant for a bearish move. So if we close below this, we might as well go lower to take out what? To take out this low, maybe as a soup of liquidity, or to trade what? To trade through it. You understand? So on 4 hour time frame, this video will be a bit long, maybe 10 to 20 minutes, because I have other pairs to what to go. So on 4 hour time frame, we are here in result that we have this high here, this high, okay, this particular high here, that's where this previous high, then this massive what bearish candle that caused a change state of delivery. Then we have it caused the fair value gap. So I'm waiting for price reaction to get to this point, then get a reaction from this area, sell towards here as draw on liquidity. Previous month low slash draw on liquidity is this is what I mark here as, because we have a setup ready here. Now this is just for our time frame. Let me move on to USDJPY. USDJPY, I so much love this pair a lot, but I didn't trade it much last month, November. It's busy month for me, so lots is going on. Of course, we have this high as long-term draw liquidity. On monthly time frame, we have this balanced price range, previous month low, uh, previous month high, which is also range high. So we are likely to get to these points soon because USDJPY is not very well correlated to dollar as EURUSD is. So you see that last month was bullish, very bullish, while dollar index last month was bearish, if you noticed. So you see there's a disparity, a difference in these two, in their price action. um um Weekly time frame. Now, weekly time frame, this we have a range. It says that I marked this as this can be the range from here to here, can be the range, and from here to here can be the range. So it depends on your perspective on what ranges are. So we are at a fair value gap here within this range, but when I'm trading ranges, I prefer that the low or the high of that range, the low or the high of that range is taken out, then I target the opposite liquidity of that range. If the low is taken out, I target what? Target to trade to from that sweep of liquidity of that range low to the what? To the sweep of liquidity of the range high. Now, coming to daily time frame, what we have on daily time frame, we still have price closing below what? Below it is solid. Okay, we've not really closed below it because today's price action is what will determine if we close below it or not. So if we close below it, it's significance of weakness, and target is we look at this range low. So that's that. On 4 hour time frame, we've been breaking lows and forming bearish changes of deliveries. Um, Even at this point here, we have what? We still have a change to the delivery right here. We have it here. Or some people will argue that it is here. I don't argue. I just see this move. That's why I didn't really mark it out. I just this significant fair value gap. I just draw it out. So let's see what price will do. Maybe price will react to it, then continue selling. What do I know? So that's it for USDJPY. And for Euro USD, solid price action. Last week was rough, no jokes. But what I'm seeing is good. From 3 months time frame again. Um, from 3 months time frame, we have this high and low of this 3 months candle. We have now look at some these 3 months, yeah. But let's look at something. You see that this on GBPUSD, we have price trading into the 3 months fair value gap, but on EURUSD, we have price not trading into the 3 months fair value gap. So maybe we have a form of SMT correlation something right here. It says that EURUSD does not have to take the what the does not have to trade into the what 3 months fair value gap. So if I even look at dollar index, let's see if dollar index does do trade into its own 3 months fair value gap. So we have it. Dollar index traded into its 3 months fair value gap already. So I'm seeing since we have that already, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. On monthly time frame, very synonymous to what? Very synonymous to dollar. People that trade CROT, they have something here. This low to this high, they are CROT. So on weekly time frame, so we still have an SMT with dollar index here. SMT with dollar index here is that these lows, these two candles swept what this candles what this candles low. These two candles here swept what this candles low. That is an SMT, so I'm indicated it. We have an SMT and we have bullish signatures. Let me come to a daily time frame. That means this is a worthy what drawing liquidity, and in case price is going to continue the trend, these are what all draw on liquidity. So that's what I have on USD, very synonymous, like I said, very synonymous to what UB dollar index. So we still have this level here, these lows that I talked about on dollar index. They are still what they are still solidly here. Coming to GBPUSD, now I'm expecting a form of SMT here with what EURUSD. He said that EURUSD will not have to take this low, but what GBPUSD will take it. So I'm expecting, I'll set my limit order here. Then using this order block, this candle here, bearish candle here, as an order block, placed my stop loss what just at the low here. I have what a trade idea to go by. Now all my bullish pointers, no need to even explain much on this, but we have a solid price action. Let me move from the monthly. From monthly, we have this fair value gap, sweep of liquidity here of these two equal lows. Even we still have form of CRT here for CRT traders. On daily, we still have that CRT, and yeah, we still have this engulfing candle here. So I drew out this as this candle a whole as an weekly order block. So coming to daily time frame, we've been having all these price action. This is an engulfing candle as well, so it makes sense to buy from here where I'm buying from. So yeah, that's it. Godspeed. Which other price action again? I have not analyzed Nasdaq. I will trade it once in a while. I have not analyzed all of this, so that's it.